A non-governmental organization known as SOLUMKOLIA Breast Cancer Foundation has held a free medical outreach in Otolo Nnewi in Nnewi South local government area of Anambra State. The event, which was anchored on creating awareness on breast cancer, also featured free medical treatment to many that gathered for the event. Medical personnel were all present as the medical outreach featured health talks on cancer awareness, free eye tests with eyeglasses given, blood pressure check, blood sugar test, among others.
There were 5 stages of cancer in breast. There were 0, which is the very smallest. There were stage 1, there were stage 2, there were stage 3, there were stage 4. And it was stage 4. I had to come to Nnewi. Makado when them were stage 4 came the way it was stage 4. Or palliative. It can be palliative or it can be curative. Palliative will no hosify times ever cancer they see bido or honala. About weekend, Mbola Diaba or to take or for the legend, mix and manu red, manu, a mix yen, ne na aka na-ete emi aka n'elu idobe aka gị n'azụ isi gị otu a mkpụrụ aka gị na ijilie wee bido wee pịla ị na-apị ị gaa okirikiri ị na-apị ipisie ya ike ipiwe epicha epi okpuru abụrụ ipi okpuru abụrụ ipi ebe aka gị otu a ipiwa picha ịgbagote n'ebe olu wee pịa inenebe nenecha onwe gị ife ịfụrụ ịkụọla onwe gị aka.
Glorify God.
For other signs, stage 4 because
for the medical outreach to see patients and know what the challenges they are having, especially the women. Some of them are transiting to their menopausal period. We want to see them medically, know their challenges, is hypertension. Some are battling with menopausal symptoms, psychiatric conditions, depression. So we see a way we can manage those medical conditions. The ones we cannot manage, we refer them to the teaching hospital. The ones we can manage, we give them medications to take care of their health problems. Some of them are diabetic. Some of them came with certain infection, wide variety of infections, which we give medications. Some of them have common malaria symptoms, which we treated accordingly. Some of them have rheumatoid arthritis. Some of them have osteoarthritis, a wide variety of problems. Some of them have fungal infections, tinea capitis, and the rest. So we treated a wide variety of medical conditions.
Should be health conscious. You know, this era of always trying to attribute illnesses to spiritual problems or, remote by relations, should stop. We should move away from that primordial and primitive mindset and learn to take care of ourselves, learn to go for health checks, learn to examine ourselves, learn to identify when we are no longer feeling normal, and then go to the hospital to see a doctor. And not when you're now seeing a doctor and getting treatment, you can now pray along, and then God will help you to perfect everything.
SOLUMKOLIA, who was the founder of the foundation, said the passion was created after she went through breast cancer and survived. She admonished women to always check themselves to avoid a situation when it will be too late.
The SOLUMKOLIA Breast Cancer Foundation was birthed as a result of my diagnosis from cancer. So I'm a stage 3 breast cancer survivor, 6 years into remission, and this foundation came alive in September of 2021. Women who are going through it, who haven't even been diagnosed at all, those are the main focal points. So if you've never heard about cancer at all, or you've never even, I will advise that you always make sure you check your breast. It will be immediately a week after your menstrual cycle. You check your breast, check for lumps. Lumps are not the only thing that you see. There are other signs that you need to look out for, like dimpling of the breast, blood coming out under your armpit or above your neck. So you need to check to make sure that there are no lumps or any signs. Anything that is out of, that is not normal with your body, you need to check it.
So the SOLUMKOLIA Breast Cancer Foundation has a lifespan of between 4 to 5 years, and this is the second time we are coming home, or even the third time. This is the third time we are coming home to reach out to people. We've had medical outreach, and we're doing this because it's our own way of saying and giving back and saying breast cancer is not a death sentence. It's something that if it's detected on time, you can actually get treatment and you'll be fine and you'll be okay. So that's what basically we are. We're an NGO, we're not profit oriented, and then we always bring it back home because this is our home. Yes. We're not just creating the awareness, we're also reaching out to people and giving more. And the more we're giving is that you're getting checked, you're getting some other medical advisors. We have the opticians, we have the optometrists, the doctors are here checking their eyes.
From place to place, in Abuja, Lagos, even in London. I've been with her in London, in one of her outings. So on a cousin, on a call on them mad, on her own. On experience.
Some of the beneficiaries commended SOLUMKOLIA for her magnanimity, while noting that the medical outreach would go a long way in benefiting them. Some gift items were also shared among them.
Treatment in Natala wo Hanishan BP, Mesha Nenemu Aho was the demo go for malaria and typhoid.
Otis wefo choto ife dị iche do na previous ones I know, because now I can see the neighbor is an expert. From what I see and from what I experience, they are experts. So one of them, even the recommendation hanyem no enyem ogote na ha mu ihe a na-eme.
Treatment in Natala if I'm complaining enyem nso enyem ugebo anya. Then ndị ọzọ nyekwa mo isi na awara nyekwa paracetamol man. Then dezie ndị Joseph doctor no. So I'm at the foundation. I'm very happy because someone can about saying what this date today. So without the date, I confirm. I not confirm. So eventually, if you because I want to confirm the date and not so now the foundation I continue because now you GFA will make the foundation based on board and so now and Ebunobi will make foundation or I continue and everyone see what if foundation. Jesus.
Ka Chineke gozie this foundation ka ọ na-aga n'ihu ka ọ na-grow nya na-etopu nya Chineke ebe Chineke metụrụ ya aka n'obi o wee sị ka nya butere anyị ọgwụgwọ nsọ n'efu otu aka Chineke yesikwa jekwa be onwe ife na-akpa Chineke yesi etu ahụ wee nya zachachara ya be maka na ọ dụghị izi.
Some dignitaries were also present to witness and support SOLUMKOLIA Foundation.
Well, I'm here to support my family. Kolia is my family. And what she's doing is great. I mean, I've not seen anything like this. She's using her life experience to empower the people in the community. So this is exemplary. And I want to do whatever I can do to support her. That's why I'm here. I'm here to learn, and I'm here to encourage people to come and participate in what she's doing. It has become an annual ritual for her and the family, so we are very grateful. Advice to people based on health is just do the investigations early, just because any ailment is not a cause. Anybody could be sick, and if you're sick, you can be taken care of. So just find out in time, do the detection, and you'll be fine. And whatever ailment that befalls you, use it to teach others. Use it as an as a learning stool to teach others, to educate people.
SOLUMKOLIA said the foundation was established 5 years ago in honor of her grandmother and also out of passion to eradicate breast cancer by creating the awareness. SOLUMKOLIA hails from Nnewi and is based in London, the United Kingdom. The beneficiaries prayed God to continue to live their benefactor and preserve her life.
And the cheese, they say exercise is also part of keeping our body, soul, and